Hello everyone. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Make a braid starting from the left side and then make a braid on the right side as well. After this, join the two together and then pin it up, roll the hair in on itself and then pin it up in place. Make it into a bun, add a decorative pin. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a low ponytail as such. Now add a rubber band in the middle section of the hair. Divide the hair into two parts. After this, make another section out of the hair and then begin to braid the hair as such. Now once you are done braiding the hair, roll the hair upwards and then tie it up into a bun. Before you do so, roll the hair in on itself through the middle section and then fasten it in place by bending it. Now add it under the rubber band, the initial one that you have put on the top. Once you are done with this, once again loop it and then lift it up and then tie it up in place. This is what it should look like. Add a decorative pin at the top. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself as such. Divide the hair into two parts and then taking the right part first, twist it one on top of the other. After you are done twisting it, roll the hair up into a bun. After this, add a decorative pin to the top of it. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, divide the rest of the hair into two parts. Set aside one of the parts. As for the left side, tie a ponytail at the back, tie a ponytail with the other part as well. Tie a rubber band in the middle of the hair, roll the hair in on itself as such. Now pull the hair through the top in the top section. Do the same for the other side, tie a ponytail at the bottom and then tie another rubber band at the base. After you have done this, make a hole in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself, lift it up, tie it in place, make a third loop out of it. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair and tie it up at the back using a rubber band. Now roll the hair in on itself. Make two divisions with the remaining portion of the hair. Make a ponytail out of one of the divisions. Now, using the first division out of which you have made a ponytail, divide it into three parts and then begin to braid the hair as such. After you are done tying a rubber band, lift it and pull it through the right side in the top section you have created. Now, adjust it in such a way that you can tie a ponytail with the rest of the hair as well. Add a rubber band to the middle section. After you are done with this, make a hole in the middle, roll the hair in on itself and then loop it around the top, bring it through the top section and insert the excess in place. Add a decorative pin once you are done with this. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, divide the hair into two parts as such. Do this on both the sides. Now taking the left section, pull it through the right side top section. Do the same on the left side. Once again, pull the left section through the right side as such. Then underneath it, fill up the excess and pin it up into place. Take two sections from either side of the hair, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself as such. Tie a low ponytail at the base of it and after this, add another division out of the hair. Add a rubber band to the middle division out of this, then taking the left division, begin to braid it. After you have braided the left division, tie a rubber band to it. Then do the same on the right side as well. Join the two together and then make a bun out of the rest of the hair. Roll the hair up and pin it up in place. This is what it should look like. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself as such, and then tie a low ponytail at the base of it. After this, divide the hair into three sections, take the middle section, divide this into two parts as well. Take one section off the middle section and then add a rubber band in the middle of it. Add a rubber band to the middle of each of these sections, roll it in on itself, and then pull it through the section at the top. Take the excess strands that are left over and then add a decorative pin to it. Thank you for watching.